The only concern for the market today is that US markets have gone up considerably, and the valuation metric which bothers a lot of people is market cap to GDP ratio, which is about 207% higher than all the times in the past, even 2008 Lehman Brothers times, 2020 COVID times, dot-com bubble times. So that is the metric which even Warren Buffett follows, and a lot of fundamental analysts track that. So what's your view on that? Although we have a lot of growth triggers for the market, but the valuation concern, could markets still rise considering that valuations are so stretched?
Is this the question on the US markets?
No, I think the Indian market, the Indian debt to GDP. So
no,
Mr.
Indian market cap.
I said the valuations are stretched in USA, but there's always trickle-down effect on Indian markets also. So that's the global risk which could impact the Indian markets.
Global, yeah, indeed. Okay. Yeah, Rhythm, why don't you start? Maybe
So India's correlation with global markets has reduced a lot. And there are fundamental reasons for that, and we don't have time for me to go through all those reasons. But in technical terms, the beta, the relative sensitivity of Indian stocks to the world is now down to 0.4. It used to be 1.3. So we are less affected by this. But of course, if America were to enter into a bear market, it is unlikely that the rest of the world does not react to it. It will.
Okay. Mr. Thakkar, you want to add to that before we wrap up? I mean, do these ratios worry you? I mean, you've seen many cycles. Do these ratios worry you?
No, not at all. I think currently, if I look at our ratio, it is like quite reasonable. And we have seen fluctuates from, say, like 50% to 150%. And currently, it would be around 105, 6% something.
It's down to 100 now.
Yeah, so down 100. So I think we are reasonably priced that way. We are just waiting for that kind of trigger point when he starts investing. And we will chase
when he starts investing. Yeah, well, that's good to know. Okay. Well, Rhythm, the onus is on you to start investing and your clients to do that. But no. But thank you, all three of you.
Thank you. I'll make the final point. Every day, flows are net zero in the market. Flows don't matter. What matters is liquidity. That's different from flows. Liquidity comes from the confidence in growth. A moment will come in the next few weeks when people will say, oh my God, it's looking so nice. We are buying stocks.